Hi everyone, 12 divided by 3 into bracket 6 minus 9. So this is an operational problem. We'll use BODMAS. We know since this is brackets, if there is any off, we have division and then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here we have answers A 6, B minus 12, C 12 and D 9. So which is the correct answer here? Let's find out. So we'll start by the brackets, which is this one here. So we say 12 divided by 3 multiply by 6 minus 9, we'll have minus 3. Okay, then we don't have off, but we have division. So we'll take the division. We say 12 divided by 3 is 4 multiply by, which is 4 multiplied by negative 3. So 4 multiplied by negative 3 will get negative 12. So this is our answer. So here B is the answer. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching. Bye bye.